Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the Bing Discover AI feature that comes with Microsoft Edge. Just kind of show you a couple things that it could do. So you might have noticed you have this little Bing Discover icon here. So when you click on it, it opens up this box here, and it just gives you some options here. What would you like to chat about, which you could just type in general questions here. But a couple cool things you could do. So let's say you're on a website and you highlight some text, and then it wants to get your permission here to turn on relevant responses. So you got to click turn on. And then if you send the selected text to chat, then you can start working with it. So let's do that. And then now once you send it to the chat, it's pasted from the page here, then it asks you what you want to do with it. So you could have it explain it, revise it, summarize it, or expand it. So let's say we're a little confused about this paragraph, so we'll click on explain. Now it gives you an explanation of what it thinks the paragraph was talking about. So if you want to, break it down and see if this explanation is better than what's on the actual page there, it might be helpful to you. And if you don't like it, you could retry for this page. And let's say you want some more information. So this is talking about a Ping Info View program here. So you could click on what is Ping Info View. And it gives you a bunch of information from the tool. And if you want to see some other tools or how do you download it, let's see what download does. Let's see if it'll take you to the site or not. So it even found the site where you could download it, so it's pretty cool. And then you just can continue on and just kind of break it down even further. And then of course you have the Ask Me Anything box down there. So that's the chat feature there. Just a quick overview. You could do other stuff with it as well. And if you go to the Compose section here, it'll help you write, a paragraph or an email or blog about a specific topic. So let's say, okay, so not you. So you could pick the tone, professional, casual, enthusiastic, informational, funny. So let's say we want some information. We just want a paragraph and the length. Let's stick with medium and generate draft here. And there you go. Now you have a whole paragraph written for you on why are vegetables good for you. And then you could copy it and paste it in there, to an email or blog or whatever you want to do, something you're working on. Refresh it or regenerate it. So that's the Compose section. And finally we have the Insights section here. So once you are here, it's automatically finding articles based on what was highlighted here. And then if you want to find out information about this website we got it from, it's getting that for you right here, monthly traffic, where it's coming from, like so. And of course you could refresh, so let's go to a different page here. And as you can see, once we go to a different page, it gives you information about that page, whatever it finds. Same stuff about the website, but so this page is about the mini tool, Partition Wizard, and it automatically brings up articles on it just like that. All right, so once again, just kind of click on the Discover icon here, and you have your 3 sections, and then you can start, finding out information about websites and creating articles or blog posts from anything you want to type into this section here, and then also find out useful information about whatever website you happen to be on. All right, check it out and see how you like it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.